Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have this Ford Transit 350 HD and we have a problem with the driver's side handle. So as you see, it seems that the handle is broken or disconnected. So we have to open it from the inside of the vehicle. So let's figure it out and check what's happening here. Alright, so here, this is the door panel. So we're gonna take it off. So we have to take off the bolts that are attaching the panels. So we're gonna start. We can take off this cap using a box cutter. Yep. This is a socket wrench number 7. The second one. The third one. This one is a D25 door. Come in here below. This is almost underneath the door at the bottom. Now let's come to the other side right here. This one right here. This one is 8 or 20. Alright, so now this one is tricky. So you gotta take off this reflective. And right here you're gonna find another one. Alright, I gotta take it off. Pull the panel like this. Okay, what you can do is just press this lever, this one you see right here, and pull the cables all the way out. And there we go. It's disconnected. So we have the panel. Alright, so now we're gonna take off this cover just by pulling it like this. So we have access to the inside of the door. And here, all the way up, we have the handle. Right here, this one. So, I'll show you. Or is it broken? So, as you see, here, it's broken. You see? It's broke already. So we gotta replace the handle. Alright, so to take it apart, we're gonna take off this small cap right here. There we go. And we're gonna look for these bolts right here. That one. So this one is a T20 Tor. So this bolt will not come off. You're gonna loosen it until it stops by itself. Just like this, you're gonna feel it, that it just stopped. And then you're gonna come from the external side and you're gonna take off this thing. And now we can take off this handle as well. You see? There we go. So as you see, you got the handle in rockauto.com. I'm just gonna show it to you. So this is a Dorman brand. Okay. The new one is a little bit brighter than the old one. There's 2 seals and the handle in 2 parts. So as you see, this is the hook that it was broken in the original one. So this is supposed to grab the mechanism so you can activate it. So let's get this to work. First of all, we're gonna take this off. This is the old one, this is the new one. So I'm gonna clean where the seal sits on. As you see, it has these small hooks. And this side too. The second one, same thing. These small hooks you see right here are supposed to grab the metal sheet that the door is made from. First one, second one, and the third one. Now we're gonna put the handle. The very end go first, like this, and then this hook goes in, just like this, and then you slide it to the side, just like that. So it's good. So it's now connected with the mechanism in the inside of the door. The other end, just like this. We're going to insert it all the way in. Alright, so now we're coming on this side. We're gonna take our T20 torque wrench and we're gonna tight the bolt that is inside. Alright, we're done. So now we're gonna test the door. So you see? There we go. It's working back. So this is how you replace the handle. Now what we have to do is put back this little cap. If you have liked, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time. Alright, so now we're gonna put back the door panel. Now let's take the cables for the window controller, these cables, so make sure to have them ready. Alright, so now let's insert the lock in its hole. There we go. When you line it up, just press firmly so all the pins are going to get in their place like this. Okay, so now we kind of start screwing the panel. First of all, we're gonna put the Windows controllers right here, like this cable. There we go. Just make sure everything is working. The Windows one is working. Second one. The third one. Go. Here at the bottom. Alright, the next one. There we go. So now we put back the reflective cap like this. There we go. Alright. Now we're gonna put back the caps. 2, 3. There we go. And this is the last one. There we go. Alright guys, and that's it. This is how you replace the driver's side handle, taking off the door panel in this Ford Transit 350 HD. If you have liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.